Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the plant kingdom. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description, and nomenclature of all living organisms. The word taxonomy is derived from two Greek words. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means law. The word taxonomy was first coined by Augustine Primus de Candolle. Next, classification. Classification is nothing but the arrangement of plants into different groups and categories based on the similarity and differences are called classification. Types of classification. There are four major types, namely artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification, modern system of classification. First, we are moving to artificial system of classification. It was proposed by Carl Linnaeus. Already you know that Carl Linnaeus is the father of modern taxonomy. Okay, plants are classified on the basis of one or few morphological characters. Morphological character means it's like external characters. Natural system of classification. It was proposed by two scientists, namely George Bentham and Joseph Hooker. We used to call Bentham and Hooker of classification. In this system, plants are classified into basis of several characters. This system of classification is based on morphological as well as reproductive character, whereas in the previous, the artificial system of classification only based on the morphological or external character. But here, natural system of classification, okay, based on two characters, morphological characters and reproductive character of seeded plants. This classification widely used in many herbaria. You can see that number of collection of plants, herbarium sheet is known as herbarium or herbaria. So this classification widely used in many herbaria. Herbarium is nothing but is a collection of pressed plants, dried plants pasted on the sheet and arranged according to any one of the accepted system of classification, that may be morphological or reproductive character. Especially in the botanical garden, you can see that this kind of herbarium or in the many colleges, science college, and having collection of herbarium. Then Bentham and Hooker classification the natural system in their book named called Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Outline of the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Seeded plants, already know that plants are divided into two categories, cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Based on the presence and absence of seeds and flowers, there are two divisions. Now we are going to discuss about seeded plants. Under the seeded plants, there are 3 classes. Class 1 dicotyledonate, class 2 gymnospermae, class 3 monocotyledonate. Under the dicotyledonate, there are subclasses polypetalae, sympetalae, and monoclamidae. Under the polypetalae, there are different subclasses. Okay. Thalamiflorae, distiflorae, calciflorae. Under the sympetalae, inferae, heteromerae, bicoplate. Then under the monoclamidae, there are 8 series and 36 family. Then division of spermatophyte are divided into 3 classes. That's what you have discussed now. Dicotyledonate. So we will see the characters of dicotyledonate. Dicotyledonate has 2 cotyledons. You can see the picture. There are 2 cotyledons. Then second point is leaves have reticular venation. Venation is nothing but the arrangement of veins in the leaves is known as venation. The second character of dicotyledon is leaves have reticular venation. Third one is taproot system. The root system of dicotyledon is taproot system. Then flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetramerous or pentamerous nothing but is contain 4 or 5 petals or sepals. If it contain 4 means they used to call tetramerous. If it contain 5 petals or sepals means pentamerous. Arrangement of the petal, that is known as merous. Pentamerous, 5 petals. Next, class 2 gymnosperm, naked seed plants. These plants have no fruits. They have only naked seed. There is no fruit. It has 3 family. There are Cycadaceae, Coniferae, Netaceae. There are 3 family: Cycadaceae, Coniferae, Netaceae. Next, class 3, Monochlamydiae. The first character of Monochlamydiae is it contains only one cotyledon, whereas dicotyledon contains only two cotyledon. But the monocotyledon, it has only one cotyledon or single cotyledon. Leaves have parallel venations. You can see the veins how they are arranged to the parallel to each other. Then types of root is fibrous root system. Then flowers are trimerous, whereas in the dicotyledon that is tetramerous or pentamerous, whereas in monocotyledon it is a trimerous flowers. Next, binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature nothing but keeping two names for the organism to avoid error and confusion. Keeping two names or two words for the organism to avoid error and confusion, especially botanical name. Okay, naming of an organism with two words are known as binomial nomenclature. For example, Mangifera indica. Okay, this is a scientific name of mango. Mangifera indica. To keeping name for plants, scientific name of plants to avoid error and confusion. Next. Next. So in these two names, one contains genus name. The Mangifera is a genus and the indica is a species name. Always the genus should start with the capital letter, species should start with the small letter. These are all norms for IUCBN, International Coordination of Botanical Nomenclature. Then should be in the italic font. If you are writing in the paper or notebook, means it should be underlined. The genus should be underlined and the species should be underlined. So remaining we'll see in next part. Thank you. Have a great day.